Who doesn't recognize this sound? It's either from your manager asking for an update or a snacks at my place message that no one has ever seen. But wait, what if this same sound could help you file your taxes effortlessly? Introducing tax filing on Microsoft Teams. No complicated tax forms, no confusion. File your taxes without leaving your workspace in under 5 minutes. All you got to do is simply enter your PAN and ClearTax will fetch 95% of your details from AIS and 26AS like your salary, rental, interest and dividend income available with the Income Tax Department. To begin, click on the ClearTax filing link shared with you via email or WhatsApp, or search for ClearTax in the Apps section and click on Add button. Click on it to open the chat interface, which will guide you through the filing journey. To get started with filing your taxes for financial year 2024-25, simply click on the Start Filing Now button. Next, enter your email address in the chat box to log into ClearTax. Please enter the OTP sent to you on your email. Please be patient, as sometimes it might take some time for the OTPs to come. Following this, enter the PAN number to start the tax filing process. Next, enter your date of birth in the format as shown on the screen. For example, if your date of birth is 1st Feb 1990, write it like this. Now, enter the OTP sent to you on your registered mobile number. This is required to verify your PAN and start with tax filing. You will now receive another OTP on your registered mobile number. This step helps us to fetch your information and pre-fill details like your salary, rental, business, interest and dividend income. Once the OTP validation is complete, the next step is to upload your Form 16, which is a summary of your income and TDS deductions provided by your employer. Typically, this is sent to you by your HR. If you haven't received it, you can reach out to your HR or payroll team. By the way, if you sold any stocks, mutual funds in the last financial year, you can click on Yes and then upload your capital gain statement, which can be downloaded from your broker's platform. You will now be able to see tax summary containing detailed information about your income, tax payable and the refund amount you are eligible for. Now, the next step is to complete your e-filing. For this, simply click on the Complete e-file now button. Kindly click on the payment link and complete the payment process, after which you need to return back to the Teams and you will receive an acknowledgement number. Congratulations, your e-filing is now completed. The next step is to do an e-verification. This step is very important for your tax returns to get processed. For this, all you need to do is click on the e-verify button, after which you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Please enter the OTP and wait for some time. Please be patient while the OTP validation happens. Congratulations, your income tax return filing is now completed and you will receive an acknowledgement message on your email as well. And not only tax filing, you can ask any tax query with the ClearTax AI, be it a query on tax saving or tax planning. It's like having your personal tax assistant. So friends, that's how easy it is to complete your income tax return filing on Teams. So don't waste any time and complete your ITR filing now.